My friends Devon and Olivia are going to Khao Sok National Park today. They're trying to have like a romantic getaway on their own, but I'm gonna crash it, see if I can find them.
Boat tour started at about 70 bucks. I used the Get Your Guide app to book mine.
Monkeys. This is my guide, Oi.
My name Oi.
Oi wanted me to meet his favorite monkey, Lucy.
Lucy!
Hello, monkey. So you can go swimming with the monkeys here. I'm gonna jump in. I don't know if they'll come to me or not. He says sometimes the monkeys will swim up to you, so we'll see. I think they're a little scared of me. Very cool. Going in a cave.
He said it was a cave nipple.
Little shiny diamonds on that. Monkey teeth. It's 1,000,000 years old.
No biting.
Will it bite?
Yeah, no biting. No,
I found Devon and Olivia. Time to crash their romantic date.
How cool is this, huh?
Pretty great. And we got leftovers, dirt cheap.
Most food options are about 7 bucks.
Chicken curry. It's actually really good. Damn.
And I got a feeling they might also catch and serve these fish fresh out of the lake.
The big ones.
Yeah. Free kayaks. Just don't forget to take your sneakers off before you get in, like I did. What do you think?
Pretty great.
So Olivia jumped in where the piranhas are, so I'm gonna feed them. Couldn't get them. They're too fast. No dinner for me. If you're coming to Thailand, you want to come see Khao Sok National Park. This place is awesome. Amazing. It's like Avatar and Jurassic Park mixed together. You don't want to miss it. He's letting me drive the boat. I'm the captain now.
Chaz does not really have friends. He attached himself to our trip that we have the itinerary for. All the meals you've been seeing have been our scraps and leftovers. Real secret, dirt cheap.
Dirt cheap, baby.